Good afternoon, everyone. We are MycoSolutions, a project made by industrial designer students from UAMA's Capotalco.
My name is Isaac Juarez.
And my name is Dario Moran. Soon you will see our full team.
We are MycoSolutions, a design cooperative that shared the idea of trading cities and laboratories for human design and innovation, incorporating concepts such as circular economy, parametric and generative design, and what we call urban-natural symbiosis.
MycoSolution is a laboratory that experiments with these places by making living rooms. MycoSolution philosophy proposes this model to act. So first we investigate what is the state of the art in this area. Our investigation process started at Peñón Viejo and Alameda Norte in Mexico City, and we immediately spotted a lot of problems regardless to public spaces. For instance, the lack of safety traffic, this eventually evolving into a major problem, traffic accidents. Also a problem regardless to street furniture, the lack of light, and playgrounds being used by homeless people. Here we can see lack of shadow and trees on the playgrounds, and the urban gyms, and of course, littering. Here are some other problems about housing units and the residents living on industrial places, being situations that can create a lot of stress. Here are some quick facts about traffic accidents that occurred over Mexico City in 2021, and here are the CO2 levels in the atmosphere that are increasing at a high rate. Some fun facts about mycelium and mushrooms. It's calculated that they have been on Earth for more than 1,000 million years, and they have been surviving because of the alliances that they have made underground. About the 90% of the species that uses the mycelium network are in a beneficial quid pro quo relation. The bioluminescence made by native mushrooms occurs the same way that with fireflies, chemically speaking. The result is a cool and natural light that helps reduce light pollution and migraines. Just like mycelium, which shares information and nutrients through a complex network, MycoSolution waves a strategy where the city becomes the space that will function as the union of technology, nature, and spaces for both humans and not-humans. This is the rest of our team. We learned a lot from them. This is a quote from Paul Stamets that resumes the essence of the project, seeing other species as an equal, creating beneficial relationships.
We have solutions in different phases, short, medium, and long term.
The Myco chair is a urban furniture designed after the problem of vandalism and deterioration that we found during our field research on Mexico City.
Playground plus MycoPergola is an electroluminescent playground with a Kinect generator that produces clean energy and lights. Protect and green pergolas that gives shadow and comfort. And the next is our medium-term strategy. We have microbots. This function and rainwater collectors is a design that we can provide water to an area to be stored, distributed, used for irrigation for public toilets to decentralize from the urban water supply network.
As Levaphone's sculpture with algorithm audio controllers and sound sensors illuminate various parts of the electroluminescent sculpture, at the same time teaching the concepts of reusing and recycling while functioning as a means of expression. This is our long-term strategy.
The Living Labs is a space full of earth where you can grow plants, urban gardens, see belongings and mushrooms. The children make vermicompost. The kind of activities generate culture, generates an idea of connection with the nature. To get your hands dirty, parks can be a place where people can share the culture of living with the earth and not only to do other activities. This is our Living Labs.
Part of our business model is the sale of beverage and products, using PET and aluminum as current in certain products. It is planned that the energy will be obtained through helical wind generators.
We use Veras. This artificial intelligence tool was used for aesthetical and regularizing purpose, such as texture, colors, lights, and environment. It was used over 3D models that we strategically designed.
This is a quick resume of the sustainable materials applied in each of our proposals.
Humans have fled from forest, nature, and darkness. Humans run away from nature because they are afraid of these natural elements. How can we return to it now that we have lost that fear and we see the strength? We generate our urban space to isolate ourselves from nature and separate man from what scares him.
It is time to reintegrate. Our project is a plan for the reintegration of nature in an urban context. We have lost our fear of the wolf in the forest. It is no longer only one man who runs with the wolves. We all want to run with the wolves and recover that animistic nature, that with nature and mix it with our technology, and let's see what comes out.